Hello, this is a vehicle space optimization example. In this one, we will show how to search SKUs or products in the database. First step is to log in with our username and password. And we will go to the warehouse section. In the warehouse section, we see we have classes, boxes, bays, and trucks. The part that we will use is boxes, which is usually set automatically. Here we have a list of boxes that we can refresh by either clicking F5 or just going back and forth in Standard Palettes tab. With no search text, we will see the full list of products that we can keep on scrolling down until we reach the end. But we want to search for some particular products. We know here we have beers, beer types, so we will look for Pilsen beers. So we go Pilsen, we click on enter, and then we select only the Pilsen types. We can scroll down, we will see that they all say Pilsen in the description. The codes do not contain the word Pilsen because they are numbers. But here, in this case, we have in the description the word Pilsen. So that's why we have a list of products that have that. We can also search by the code numbers themselves. We can search for them individually. For example, we have this 176.242. We can type it in, 176.242. Type it in, and then we will see that we have only this box selected. Okay. We can also create a list of products. For instance, we have this one, and we can create a list that is delimited with commas. So we type this number, and we have another code or SKU. And then we have another one, and then we have the last one. We press enter, and then we have a list of products. If one of the products is not available, for example, let's say that this would be 6 items and then we can only find 5, it's because it's not in the database. So you either have to add it or you have to check to see if the number is correct. This is a comma delimited list. And finally, we can do a search by classes, right? So what we do is type in C space, the name of the primary class, and the name of the secondary class. So this is F5 and F. We could press enter, and then we have only the ones that we have package or primary class that are F5, and then the secondary class, which is F. We can also do this without a secondary class. Let me see. Well, in this case, there are only F5s with Fs, but that's the whole point. Thank you.